How to comment on Instagram stories. Before doing so, please make sure and double check that your Instagram is updated to the latest version. Just go to your Play Store and search for Instagram. Now you will be able to know that your Instagram is not up to date because there is an option or there is a button for you to press here to update. Now you have to make sure that your Instagram is updated to the latest version first. Now once everything is done, you just go back and pull up your Instagram app. Now you'll have to make a story first, or you can check on or you can comment on anyone's story. Now in my case, let's go ahead and check for stories. Alright, so there is actually a little button right here. You just have to tap on add a comment, and all of the comment sections will be shown here. So let's just add a comment first. Alright, once that is added, you'll be able to see that on the lower left of your phone. So that's how you can comment on Instagram stories.